Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. Let's go exploring. We're going to go out here a couple BLM campgrounds. First one will be High Jolly, just up the road here. This is Highway 95 going to Quartzsite. Right there on the left is the town refuse station dump. It's where you take your trash. Also, look at the big cell tower up there on the left-hand side. Just past that will be the entrance to High Jolly. High Jolly is a real popular BLM campground. So let's get on up here and we'll check her out. There is this car after car, RV after RV heading to town. Look at them. Zipping through. Every day, town gets busier and busier. RVs coming in left and right. Okay, here is High Jolly. It's probably the closest to town besides the long-term ones. A lot of people stay here. This thing gets packed, and I mean packed in the winter, especially in January. Make a right here. We'll pull on in. Okay, camp post is off to the left. There's only one host here. This is High Jolly. Looks like that motorhome's checking in. This goes way back. It's not very wide, and it goes back a ways. When I fly the drone, you'll see it. Let me get turned around here, and then I'll hop out and get a couple pictures. I'll be back. Okay, here it is. High Jolly, 14-day restriction on this one. Got to register with the host. Okay, I'm gonna go across the street, launch a drone, get a better angle from there, and the sun will be better. So I'll get her up in the air. Be right back. Okay, I'm doing a voiceover and while I'm doing the aerial footage. This is recorded in my trailer. Okay, you can see it goes back our ways, but it's not very wide at all. And this place gets packed. I mean, I don't know. This has probably been my least favorite BLM land. Especially, I mean, like right now you can spread out, but it gets very, very busy. There's at least has turn lanes both directions to get in and out of there. Because you can sit there a while with some traffic. That's heading up towards Parker and Plomosa Road. We're going to be traveling up there next. There's a little better look. You can see it's not very wide and it gets very narrow near the back. Then that's looking down towards Quartzsite. See the tower? That's where that dump station was. Okay, one last look at it. It's a nice area. I mean, they're all nice, and it is free. Absolutely free. 14 days of free camping. You're only a couple miles out of town. And that's what's the main attraction here. It's close and it's free. All right, let me get landed. Hit back on the road. Okay, continuing on, this is Arizona 95. We're leaving High Jolly BLM camp area. We're going to go up here about another, I'm guessing about 2.5 miles or so, 3 miles, to Plomosa Road. There goes a big old fifth wheel. Beautiful day. You can't beat this weather. November is always perfect here. Almost everybody I've ever met that has stayed out here always said this is one of their favorite areas. Okay, this is Plomosa Road. We're going to make a right. This road goes for about 25 miles. It'll take you all the way over to Bouse. So it's a beautiful road to travel. It's a good cut through too if you want to go over to Bouse. All these roads are well maintained. They're in good shape. You have no problem here. Alrighty, right up here is where the host parks. See if he's here. There he is. Alright, let me get pulled in here, get turned around. We'll get a few pictures. Alright, we're at the west end of Plomosa Road. This is where the camp post is. We're going to go down the other end. I don't think there's one down there. We'll check it out. Getting a little windy out here. Alright, let's head on down. Now you can camp on both sides up here. It kind of goes back and forth. Majority of the camping would be on your left or north side. But you can camp in certain areas on the right hand side. I'm going to get down here about a mile and then we'll launch a drone, get a good shot of it. Check out how flat everything is here. I mean, it is flat as a pancake. You don't have to level much when you park here. Tons of cool looking cactuses too. This is very pretty out here. Alrighty, we're probably about halfway. I'm gonna make a left up here, pull off, we'll get the copter up in the air. Find a little turnout here. This looks good as any. I'll pull off in here and I'll get the drone out. Okay. Get parked. I'll be back. Alright, up in the air. This is probably my favorite camping area since I've been coming to Quartzsite. It's out here on Plomosa Road. You're farther away from town than any of them. But look at the beauty of it. It's quiet at night. The stargazing's perfect. That's looking down towards Highway 95. We're about a mile down. That's over towards Quartzsite. And swing back this way. That is towards Bouse. That's the direction we're going to go. That's camping on, looks like both sides right here. You can see a few rigs out there. But this is a huge area, big campground. And in January, this place, it won't be as packed as the other ones because you're farther out of town. Cell reception's decent out here too. Cell phone probably works the worst when you get south of town. North, it's okay. Alright, back on the road. Gotta love that drone. Winds are picking up pretty good too. It's about midday out here. Okay, oh look at that, right there on the right. Mile marker, 1. That's a good guess, 1 mile. Alright, we're gonna head up here to the end of this. I'm guessing it's a little over 2 miles total. Couple big rigs parked there. Got their generators going. They're all set. we're getting closer to the end here. But you can keep going. I mean, there's more BLM when you get over towards Bouse, too. This is just this section here. About 7 miles down this road, past where we're going to stop, is where I filmed those fishermen and taglias. Then you can go over that mountain pass. There's a lot of history up here about mining and all kinds of stuff. Alrighty, here's the end of it. I see the sign. I'm going to pull off up here to the right. Looks like a good place I can fly. I'll get parked here and get a few pictures. But that sign there says no overnight camping beyond this point. I'll get a picture of it. Let me get parked. I'll be back. No overnight camping beyond this point. So you're at the end of it. So we're at the east end, Plomosa Road BLM, right here. Quite a few rigs cross street. Here's a look at the signage. Now the host is way at the other end, over 2 miles back at the other end. So if you come out here, that's the only host here. There's nothing up here on this end. And it's a 14-day camping limit. Alrighty, get the drone up in the air. I'll be back. Alrighty. That direction, that's towards Bouse. That Fisherman and Taglia is down that road about 6-7 miles. And this is the end of the BLM right here. These guys are at the very end of it. Looks like a group or something there. We can see the dirt paths that go out. You can go as far as they do. It is staked out there. It is marked. The end of it, the edge or whatever. But look how pretty. I mean, this is just, make a postcard out of that picture. And then that's looking back down the other way. When I camped out here, I camped down towards 95. I didn't come out this far. But a lot of these guys are four-wheelers, and there's four-wheeling heaven here. You can just go for miles all over this place in four-wheelers and dirt bikes. So that's probably why a lot of these guys like it on the end here, because you can four-wheel way out there up towards the mountains. Sure looks different from the air. Pretty good vantage point. So when you're deciding which BLM land to go to, try them all. Okay, time to get back on the road. I'll be back. Alright, now you've seen High Jolly and Plomosa Road BLM. It's free camping. 14-day limits on both of them. Time to go explore more. I got Skadam Wash, and we got some other ones to go look at. So if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. This is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk to you soon. Take care.